Hello everyone. So far we have studied about matrix manipulation, arithmetic operation and 2D plots. So during all these operations, what we have identified that Octave is very easy to use. At the same time, it can solve the bigger problems. Like in real time, you might be facing lot of problems and manual calculation is really tricky. You have to go through lot of things to just solve the things. But those things you can solve within fraction of seconds using Octave software. So now today we are going to start 3D plots. So already you saw 2D plots. It's very similar to 2D plot. So we'll start it now. Let me zoom the screen. Okay. So you remember in to sign 2D plot what we were doing first. We were creating the range a equal to 0 is to 0.01 is to 1. So you know the reason why I'm giving 0.01 as the interval, because we'll be having multiple points. Same way it goes with 3D as well. So now B will be what type of plot we want. We want sine. So we'll create sine 2 star pi star A. So we want all the degrees till 360 degree. So we are giving 2 pi. And then we'll have this C equal to B dash multiplied by B. So what for this third line is used? You can see that A is the first dimension. To plot any 2D graph, we need two dimensions, X and Y. So we were plotting those A points. This will be how many points? This will be like 101 points. Same way, these values will be substituted here in A. So what will happen? The first value will be sine 2 star pi star 0. Second value will be 2 star pi star 0.01. Third value will be 2 star pi star 0.02. Likewise, 101 points will be there. So these 101 points and these 101 points will combinedly plot the graph of 2D. But here we have to create the third dimension. So third dimension is whatever the sine value is there, that will be transposed. You remember B dash is the representation of transpose. So that sine dimension will be again transformed and multiplied with same sign. So we'll get all three dimensions now, because in this B already A is there, right? So because of this only, so this also will be producing how many points? This will be producing 101 points. How? B dash, B will be sine 2 star pi star and then A is there, so 0 dash. So that will be the first value multiplied by sine 2 star pi star A. So likewise it will be going for 101 points and you will be seeing the 3D plot. Now so this will be giving you this values. Now for 2D plot we use the command plot, but for 3D plot we use the command surf. Surf stands for surface. And now we'll give the third dimension, because in third dimension it means in C B is there and A is also there. So everything is included in C itself. Now we will plot this and see what the result comes. Okay, so we are getting this sine 3D plot. Now if you want, you can click it here and you can rotate it and see the output from any direction. Okay, so likewise you can see the 3D plot of sine. Now here we have to give the labels. So we'll give X label. So what was the X label? We can give X axis. You can give whatever you want, that's up to you. Y label. Command should always be in small letter. Y label. Y axis. And then we'll take Z label. Z label, because it has three dimensions, so we have to give X, Y and Z all. So likewise we'll be having the graph with X axis, Y axis and Z axis. And you remember how we were giving title, so we can give title as well. So we have to give sine 3D plot. Okay, So now we'll run and see.
Subscribe for more
There is
upcoming content.
Sine 3D plot. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Now we can give legend also. Legend sine 3D, and we'll run the code and we'll see the output. So likewise you can see that sine 3D plot is done, and same thing we can do for cos. So what we have to do in that case, you have just to change sine into cos and tan and cosec and sec. So this will be the overall process.
Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel.